There comes a moment when even the strongest soul stops running, when silence no longer feels like punishment, but protection. Capricorn, after years of chaos, duty, and emotional fatigue, the light is returning. Slowly. But it's not the same light you lost. It's quieter, softer, wiser. Between 2020 and 2022, you carried the world on your back, holding on when everything inside you was breaking. You said, "I'm fine," while something inside whispered, "I'm not anymore." You reached the limits of duty, the point where survival became emptiness. That exhaustion wasn't weakness. It was your soul asking you to stop pretending. Capricorns process pain through control, by working harder, by fixing, by staying composed. But healing doesn't begin with control. It begins when you stop performing strength and start allowing your own humanity to breathe. This is the psychology of recovery, rebuilding identity from authenticity, not expectation. Astrologically, this is when Pluto began to leave your sign, taking with it years of tests, power struggles, and emotional lessons. Saturn's move into Pisces softened your energy, asking you to reconnect with your inner world, to rest, to dream, to forgive yourself for breaking. These years weren't meant to push you. They were meant to unmake the version of you that lived only through survival. Now every small step forward matters. You don't have to rebuild everything at once, just enough to breathe, to feel, to exist again. Healing for you looks like saying no. It looks like walking away from noise and choosing peace over productivity. It is not the same fire that once drove you. It's a quiet flame that refuses to die. The universe is teaching you that light doesn't always arrive in flashes. Sometimes it returns as a whisper. Through solitude, boundaries, and self-honesty, you're building a new foundation, not to prove your worth, but to protect your peace. You are not who you were in 2018. You are slower, wiser, deeper, and that's your power. As 2025 closes, you'll feel something awaken. A new vision, a quiet certainty that you were never meant to stay broken. The next chapter begins when you step back into your purpose. Not from fear, but from freedom.